in my house, which has a converted garage, which I added my gym, and there's no windows, just these French doors, which you can't open. So I added this ceiling fan. I am a huge fan of it. There was a previous ceiling fan in this room, and it hung down, which made some other movements hard. But this is great. It's so lightweight and it's high quality material. It has this nice black finish. You see the integrated LED lights. There is the little fan blade, and it comes with a cool remote as well. Go ahead and turn it on. You can see that all lights up. You can see that nice light, and it's really tucked in tight. And because it's so much smaller than a traditional ceiling fan, you can just mount it up like a regular light. It came with everything you need to do so. The installation was not too difficult if you are used to changing out ceiling lights, but if not, of course, consult an electrician. Here is the remote right here. You can turn it on or off. See, it'll just slowly go away. See, it's back on. It has all these different settings, like 1 hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, a night mode, which puts that at a nice dim light, as you can see. And then you can also just, you can hit this to change the different levels of light, and up, here's the button, the middle button right here. And you can change the frequency within them and the tones with this middle button. Increase brightness or contrast, etc. Has these different fan speeds right here. Hit 1, turn the fan on. It's very quiet. Something I will note is because the fan blades don't go out, they're contained in that circle, that most of the fan is directly underneath it. I'm a little to the side and I can feel a little bit of air, but it doesn't move the air around like that. So if you want some air blowing directly on you, it works very well. It has 6 different speeds, including full cycle, and you can reverse the fan on the remote with this FR button. To go up, make the fan go up, it's going to switch directions like it would in the winter to draw the heat up from, you know, heating vents or heaters up into the area where you are, not just on the floor. Super big fan of this fan, pun intended. I highly recommend this product, and I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.